Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up customer service message of your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your PayPal account on your computer and then get on the top right corner where your name states and then select your account settings option. Now select account preferences options on your left and then you guys can see this category called customer service message. Now select its update button. So right here guys, you need to write down your headline and then here you need to write down the customer service message you want to convey to them. You guys can write down your headline up to 50 characters and write down your customer service message up to 1000 characters. And after that you guys will need to choose both of these options by just take them and then you just need to select on the save and close button. And that's how you guys can set up the customer service message for your customer whenever they file a case with you. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and also share this video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching.